Dear children, it is a frequency distribution tables. Class interval is two types are there. Class interval, two types are there. First one is the inclusive classes and second one is the exclusive classes. First one is the inclusive classes and second one is the exclusive classes. So in this case of limits and boundaries are there. In this case of limits and boundaries. What is the limits and what is the boundaries? So here dear children, here 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and 21 to 30 is the inclusive classes, class interval. It means of the first class 1 to 10, the next class starting with the 10 continuation number 11 onwards, 11 to 20. Next 20 to 30. These are called a inclusive classes. Okay children. Next limits means here lower limit and upper limit both are there. Lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit, upper limit. So in this case class interval, left side values is all or limit, lower limit values. Okay children, left side values are all lower limits and right side values are upper limit. Did you understand children? It is a inclusive classes, class intervals. So left side values all are lower limits and in this case right side values are upper limit values. Okay. So first class interval 1 to 10. What is the lower limit? 1. Upper limit is 10. Okay. At the same time 11 to 20 lower limit is 11. Upper limit is a 20. Lower limit is a 21. Upper limit is a 30. Just it is a limits values. Okay. At the same time boundaries. What we have to take the boundaries. So here observe that boundaries in a class interval value and end value of each class is called the lower limit and upper limit. We know that. Okay. Next, the average of upper limit of a class. So here the average of upper limit is a first class and lower limit is a second class. Okay, did you understand? It is the first class, second class, third class. Class intervals these are. Okay. So the average of upper limit of first class and lower limit of a second class. So the average means, so here 10 plus 11 by 2. Average means by 2. So here how many have to take the data? 2 observations. So 10 plus 11 by 2. 10 plus 11, 21 by 2. So here do the division. 10 2s are 20. Remaining 1 is there. Put the point and take the 0. 5 2s 10 0. It means 10.5 is a here right upper boundary. 10.5 is a upper boundary. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, it is the average of upper limit and next class of lower limit. First class, next class is a lower limit. Okay children, first class of a upper limit and next class is a lower limit. The average of that is a upper boundary. Next lower boundary, how can you that? Lower boundary is said the same in the previous so 0 to something is this. It is a negative numbers. Okay, 0 to. So it is also the first class, the average of upper limit and next lower limit. So next class is the lower limit. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 by 2. Observations 2 by 2. So 1 by 2 means 0.5. The lower boundary is the 0.5. The lower boundary is the 0.5. Did you understand children? How to point the boundaries? Okay. So here the average of upper limit of a class and lower limit of a successive class is called a upper boundary. Okay, next, the average of lower limit of a class and upper limit of a preceding class is called the lower boundary class. Did you understand, children, this topic? Okay, it is a inclusive classes. It is a inclusive classes. Okay, next, class interval, two types are there. First one completed, second one is the exclusive classes. Exclusive classes. So here class interval starting with the 0 onwards, 0 to 10. So here the next class, first class upper limit what we have to take, then lower limit next class is the same number you have to take that. Okay, 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and 20, 30. Okay, the difference between inclusive classes and exclusive classes means, so here upper limit, lower limit starting 1 onwards start the number. Okay, and here end of the number enough, that is the first class. Next, continuation number, next number onwards we have to take the another class. Okay, did you understand? ఈ రెండిటికి డిఫరెన్స్ నానా, ఇక్కడ మనం 1 to 10 class interval we have to take the 1 to 10. So next 10 after number what we have to take 11 to 20. Next 21 to 30. So next number తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ మనం. So exclusive classes means 0 to 10. So end of the number, here upper limit what we have to take, next class is the lower limit also same, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. These are exclusive classes. These are inclusive classes and these are exclusive classes. So at the same time limits and boundaries are there. Limits and boundaries are there. So here limits is upper limit and lower limit. So left side values all are lower limits same. Right side values are upper limit. So here 0, 10, 20 is a lower limit and upper limit 20, 10, 20, 30. These are limits. Okay. Same time boundaries also. So same boundaries means the first class of upper limit, the average of upper limit and the next class of lower limit. So here 10 plus 10 by 2, 10 plus 10, 20 by 2. So it is upper boundary is 10. Upper boundary is 10. Same time here. So at the same time boundary 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20, 40 by 2. 40 by 2 means 20 is it? So that is a upper boundary. Did you understand, children? So here 0 plus 0 by 2, 0, lower boundary. Next, here same lower boundaries. Okay, 10 plus 10 by 2, 10. These are lower boundaries. Okay, children, did you understand? These are interval class intervals. Two types are there, inclusive classes and exclusive classes. Inclusive classes and exclusive classes, these are. Okay, so here dear children, there are above the illustrations we can observe the in case of inclusive class intervals, limits and boundaries are different. Limits and boundaries are different in this case. So it is inclusive classes. Limits and boundaries are different values are there. So at the same time exclusive classes, the limits and boundaries the same values. Limits and boundaries the same values. Okay, children, did you understand? Yes. Next, so the difference between, so here the difference between upper and lower boundaries of class is called a class length. That is a class length. Did you understand, children? So difference between upper and lower boundaries. So here upper and lower boundaries, exclusive and inclusives. The difference between upper boundaries and lower boundaries is called a length of the class. That is a length of the class. So it is denoted by C. It is denoted by C. Class length denoted by class length is denoted by C. The difference between upper and lower boundaries of a class is called a length of the class denoted by C. Okay, children? Next, exercise 7.2, first problem. Exercise 7.2, first problem. Given the below are ages of 45 people in a colony. In a colony, 45 peoples are their ages. 45 peoples are ages. Okay. 33, 8 here given the data. 33, 8, 7, 25, 31, 26, 5, 50, 25. So up to 36. Okay. Construct a grouped frequency distribution for the given data. Construct grouped frequency distribution table for the given data with 6 class intervals. How many class intervals are there? 6. Already here given to the, we have to take the how many class intervals. So here 6. Okay. So first you find the range. We know that range, what is a range? The difference between maximum value and minimum value. Okay children, did you understand? What is a range? The range is maximum value minus minimum value. The difference between, difference means minus. The difference between maximum value and minimum value. What is the maximum value in the data is the highest value? What is there? 26, 50 is there, 56 is there first line, and the second line 62 is there, and the third line 63, fourth line no. So here 63. So here maximum value minus minimum value. So maximum value is 63. Minimum value, least number. What is the least age? Least age is a 5 minus 5. 63 minus 5 is a 58. It is a range. It is a range. Next one, according to the problem, number of class intervals. Number of class intervals equal to 6. Already given that. So here find what is the formula? Class interval equal to range by number of class intervals. Number of class intervals. What is the range here? 58. Number of class intervals is 6. So here 58, 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 9 is 54. Here 4 put the point and take the 0, 6 6 are 36. Again take the 0, 6 6 are 36. Again 4. So I think 9.666 and so on. So we have to take the 9.67. So it is approximately 9.6 means approximately 10. The class interval is the 10. So you have to take the distribution table. So okay, so it is a first topic is a class interval. First topic is a class interval. So class interval is the least number is the 5 and the highest number is the 63. So here class interval. So the difference, how much you have to take? 10 difference. 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the least age is 5 and 10 adding. Approximately 10. 9.6 means 10. So 5 to 14. Did you understand, children, how to take the class interval first? So in that, given the data, what is the least number and adding with the 10 numbers. 5 to 14. Okay. Next. So next 14 onward. Next 14 after 15. 14 after 15. It is a which type of interval? Inclusive class intervals. Okay. So next 15. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. 15 to 24. So how many class interval takes? 6 class intervals we have. 1, 2 completed. Next 24. Continuation number 25 to 10 adding. 34. Okay. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Next. 35 to 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Here 45 to 54, 55 to 64. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 class intervals only, already given the data, given the problem. According to the problem, how many class intervals we have to take? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So how to take the class intervals? Did you understand, children? So what is the least number of the data? And class interval is taking the 9.6 means 10, approximately 10. So 5 adding the 10 numbers. 5 to 14 is 10 numbers are there. Okay. So at the same all class intervals. Okay. Next one is the tally marks. Tally marks means, so 5 to 14 ages, how many peoples are there? Draw the lines. How many peoples are there? 5 to 14. So 5 to 14 only. Okay. 5 to 14 only. First observe the data. 5 to 14. In the first line, 8, 2, 3. And here 4. And here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 5 to 14. Okay, 9. So draw the lines, tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw the cross line is the fifth line. Okay, fifth number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers are there. 9 lines are there. So here 5 to 14 ages peoples are 9 members. So it is a frequency. It is called a frequency. It is called a frequency. So 15 to 24. 15 to 24. In the first line 15 to 24, anyone is there? No. Second line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here also same 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. 25 to 34. 25 to 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 is there. So say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, 35 to 44. 35 to 44. 35 to, yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 45 to 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Here 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next 55 to 64. 55 to 64. 1, 2, 3 only is there. 3, 4. So here any number is there? 55 to 64. 55 to 64. 55 to 64. One more. Yes. So here also is there. How many is there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here write 5. So here dear children, 35 to 44. So sorry, here 1 only is there. Here totally 6. 35 to 44. Okay. So these are frequencies. So 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 9, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 7, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. So the total number of frequency means total peoples, 45 people. So here they given the below age of the 45 people. So here 45 members are is there. Okay children, did you understand this? Construct grouped of frequency distribution table. So then we have to take the headlines, class intervals, tally marks and frequency. Class interval, tally marks and frequency. Okay children, did you understand? This is a class interval. How to take the class interval? So that is a range by number of class intervals. Given the data, class interval, number of class intervals. Okay. Range. What is a range? The difference between the maximum value and minimum value. Okay, so given the data, what is the highest value? That is a maximum value. What is the least value? That is a minimum value. So the difference between highest value to and highest value and least value. Okay, did you understand the range? 63 minus 5. That is a range is 58. Did you understand children? This is the first problem 7.2, exercise 7.2. Okay. Next second problem, do the homework. Second and fifth problem, do the homework. It is a second problem, do the homework children. So here are once explain that the second problem. Number of students in 30 classrooms in a school are given below. 30 classrooms in a school are given below. Construct a frequency distribution table for the data with exclusive class interval of 4. Class interval we have to take the 4. Okay children. So first find the range. First you find the range. What is the range? Maximum, the difference between maximum value and minimum value. In this problem, maximum, what is the maximum value? It means of a highest value. Highest value, first line is the 34. No. And second line, here 40 is there. Yes, the highest value in the total frequencies, the highest value is the 40. Highest value is the 40. Anyone is there? Okay. The range equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Maximum 40. Okay. Minimum, what is the minimum value? Minimum value here 15 is there. Any least number? Okay, 15 only. Okay, 15. 40 minus 15, 25. The range is 25. So next, class interval. We know that range by class interval, range by number of class intervals. Already here given that the problem, according to the problem, class interval of 4. So range is a 25. So 25 by 4. So do the division. 25, 6 4s are 24, 1 is there, 0.0 and 2, 2 4s 8, again 2, 5 4s are 20. So the class interval is 6.5. 6.25, it means of nearly 6. Okay, so the difference is the 6. So what is the least number here? 15. 15 adding of 6 numbers. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have to take the class interval 15 to 20. Next, 21 to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, 26. So here 6 numbers only adding. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 21 to 26. Next, 27 to 6 adding. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So here 32. Next, 32 to 32, 33, 34. Sorry, here 33. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. But here 40, up to 40 is there. So we have to take the another class also. 38, 39 to 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 39 to 44. We have to take the class in 15 to 20, 21 to 26, 27 to 32, 32, 38, 33 to 38 and 39 to 44. These are class intervals. Okay, children? It is a second solution. Okay, next draw the distribution table. Okay.